Welcome to How Did You Get Those Curls? My name is Camille, and thank you so much for joining me. Here's a great big hug and a great big kiss from me to you, boo. As you can see, my hair is going through it. I haven't washed this hair in at least like 3 days, guys. 3 days. So today, I'm going to be doing a deep conditioner, baby. I'm using Shea Natural Creatine. You are going to absolutely love it. It is my favorite deep conditioner ever. Step 1, we are going to wash our hair. Step 2, we're going to put the Shea Natural Creatine deep conditioner in our hair, baby. Now, let's go, babe. So as you can see, I am in the shower. And today I'm going to be using mane and tail shampoo. So I'm just going to shampoo my hair thoroughly, and then we're going to get to the conditioner. So now it's time for this Shea Natural Creatine conditioner, baby. So I'm going to put it all in my hair, and then I'm going to part my hair in 2 parts. Now I'm going to part my hair in 2 more sections, so altogether I'm going to have my hair parted in 4 sections. My hair is so tangly, man. It's so bad. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to use this brush and comb out my hair from the bottom all the way up to the top. I usually start from the bottom and go all the way up to the top because a hairdresser told me that's a good technique to use so you don't rip your hair too much. Once you're done combing out all your hair, I usually just put my hair in a shower cap, and then I get to showering, and then I'm going to wash it out, and then I'll show you how it looks. Bye! So now I'm officially out of the shower. I wrapped my hair in a t-shirt. I figure that's a really good DIY as well. So now I'm unwrapping my hair, and it turned out pretty good. I must say I love it. I'm really loving these curls, man. So I'm going to be putting in 2 products just to seal these curls and make them look amazing. But that's it, just 2. We're just going to need a comb, Olive Oil Girls Healthy Styling Hair Pudding, and Eco Styling Gel for curls. I absolutely love this stuff. I am down to my last little drop. Oh my gosh. So we're just going to start by parting the hair. And then the next step is to put the Olive Oil Girls Healthy Style Hair Pudding throughout your entire hair. This was my first time using this product. It was okay. It was a little bit different, so I find that you just have to use a little bit more at the ends of your hair just for some extra moisture, because I find it wasn't as moisture-based as the others. Next, I used my Eco Styling Gel just to seal all of this moisture in and make sure these curls are pop-a-locking and looking good all day, baby. Oh my gosh, I am absolutely loving my curls. Yes, baby. Yes. Okay, so I just got back from the gym and my hair is looking amazing. I really like it. Can't complain at all. That product before, it's just okay, but when it actually absorbed into my hair and the gel absorbed and everything, it looks really good. Like, really good. I'm really happy. It's not 100% dry, like it's maybe like 7% more. Needs to dry just more up so in the roots. But what do you think, guys? Perfect conditioner. I swear that conditioner is so amazing. It costs about $40, but I'm telling you, it is worth it. Okay? And remember, you don't use it all the time. You just maybe use it once a week or once every 2 weeks, so it lasts pretty long. It should last you about 4 to 5 months, depending on how thick your hair is. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. Remember to check back for another video all about our curls. And this segment is called, How Did You Get Those Curls, Baby? Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Get it. Have a good day, guys. Love you. Bye.